do you think about visual art journals, paintings, assemblages and more? If you like it like I do, then you are right here. Hi, I'm Bea Grob and I love to inspire you. Well, hello and welcome back to my studio. So glad you joined me for another video. As you can see on the table, it's all about painting ladybugs. It is a sort of a mini series. I did paint them on deep canvases. There are 4 by 4 inch, 1.5 inch or 10 by 10 centimeters and 4 centimeters. 2 of them are finished. I did seal them with the spray adhesive, with the spray fixative, with the spray fixative before I did apply the varnish, which is a water-based varnish from the home improvement store. I don't use those artist varnishes. I just can't stand the smell of them. And one of them is not finished yet. And I'm not sure if the camera picks it up. I use like a semi-gloss, I have to go on this side, sorry. I use a semi-gloss varnish, so this is more matte than those two. As I said, I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but in real, you really can see the difference. The reason why I still have this not varnished, I'm gonna teach a workshop at Crea Fair, which is a consumer show for art and craft supplies, where people can find out about art and craft supplies, where they can see demonstration and also have the possibility to attend workshops. And I'm gonna teach this workshop. And I wanted this sample for the people to see that they have at home to use a spray varnish. I'm gonna tell them they just can use spray varnish, that's enough. They don't have to paint it on the other varnish. Now, because it is a consumer show, people don't have so much time to go for hours on workshop. That's why I did make them a little stencil. For those who follow me, they know I do sell all kinds of stencils, which usually I make the stencils for myself, and some of them go onto the website for other people to use. Now, it is just a small stencil. My stencils tend to be at least A5, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put that up, just the ladybug. If I'm going to put up with the ladybug, I'm probably going to add like foliage or flowers, or I don't know yet, or maybe some birds. And anyway, let me know if you would really be interested in having this ladybug, which fits perfectly that 4 by 4 inch canvases. Yeah, that's what I have done lately. Didn't work so much on big works or work a lot in art journals. We still are busy with adapting to our new house and finding the best solution for some minor problems. I mean, more or less we are in the house and we enjoy, and yeah. Other than that, I'm preparing again for the 100-day project, which starts on the 18th of February. I don't know whether you remember, last year I did this thing here with 100 crows, ravens or magpies in different, mostly pencil and charcoal supplies. Now for this year I decided I make it a little bit easier because I'm still trying to figure out how it works the best in my new studio. So I decided to do 100 random sketches with supplies I rarely use. That's all I give myself as a goal. So it can be anything from, like the ladybug. I did a sketch for the ladybug. I did several sketches for the ladybugs. I don't know if I have them somewhere near. Do I have the ladybug somewhere here? No. Here it is. Here is one of the ladybugs I did. Usually I sketch those kind of things just of a scrap piece of paper, but yeah. So I started something like that, and then it ended up something like that. So I'm gonna do 100 sketches. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video about it, but I'm certainly gonna post it on Instagram. So as always, this is a time-lapse. I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.